Okay, so I will first build the UI of this app. It will be a single screen app. I haven't made a very fancy UI. It is just some buttons, some labels. So let's get started. So this is the I've used these two icons for mic. Now I will open it here, and the UI label will be placed on screen. I'm using a single view controller here. um, then there is a button. So we have two controls here. uh, okay, another label. Just follow the process. It will create a basic level screen for this one screen app that will help you convert speech from one language to another. So here is another label. I will let you know why we are using these labels and why we are using these buttons. Now let's set some constraints on these UI elements. Follow the tutorial to set all these UI elements along with constraints. So here you can see all the elements are properly set in the screen. We have a mic button. Press the button to start recording, and mic button is not working at the moment. I haven't added their functionality, but rest the recorded text. There is a loader. I will let you know why I am adding the loader here. There is a translate button and then a translated text. So this code will add the convert text from one language to another, and then uh, you are going to hear the translated text. So I am using two languages here. Let's move to the code and discuss the further details there. So here is the screen, and this is the screen we have built. Now I am going to connect some of the connections that I have used in my view controller screen and connect those with the UI. So there is a loader, there is a recorded text, there is a translated text. So I'm going to connect all these connections. These are basically all the IB outlets I have in my Swift code. And then there is a button, it's already connected. Let me show you how to connect it again. So here I'm going to touch up inside. Okay, so the button is connected. So whenever I click the button, I can add whatever action this is going to take. And here are the all the UI elements and actions I have used in this code. So we have used I've used like fixed text, static text with the name of text en. You can see it here. Now there is a view did load function in which I have set the recorded text to my this text. Then there I'm adding the functionality in on translate button tabbed. So all this code is available on Google MLKit website. You can copy it from there, or you can copy it from here. So first I'm going to set the options, translator options, which let us set the source and target language. So this is basically the um, MLKit translate, which is a pod I have installed. It is by Google, and I'm using it to translate between two languages. This is just the text translation. Okay, so I have set these options. Now I'm setting certain conditions uh, to basically uh, set up a model that will help me to download uh, the model to convert language from English to Arabic. I've set these languages for just to perform the basic functionality, so you can learn it from here. But if you want to use different sort of languages, you can create a drop down and UI picker, and with the help of that you can select different languages and set it here on the fly. Okay, so I am setting here an async function which will download the model, and when the model is downloaded, it will then convert our recorded text into the text in Arabic. Okay, so follow the code. Kindly see the little mistakes that I am making and then fixing it. It will help you to understand like why a certain error occurs and how to fix it. I'm leaving this error for now. I will be fixing it in some time. So there is the code basically. You can see the comment here. We can do whatever we want to do once the translation succeeds. So I am setting the translated text to our text, and then I've started the animator loader to animate, and then stop it once the text is converted, and then hide it. Okay. So here is here is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. These are recorded text. This is translate text, and you can see the Arabic translation here. Now Arabic translation is already there. I can hear that it is speaking this sentence in Arabic, but you cannot. Let me show you how it sounds like. Now let's write the code to speak that sentence, the converted translated text. So here I am creating the function. It will use all the functions from the framework AV Foundation. That is used basically for audio and video processing. So import it before using this function. So you can see the sentence is completed. Sorry, the code is completed for speaking the sentence. Now I am going to run the code again, and will show you how the text will be translated and how it will be pronounced. So
الثعلب البني السريع يقفز على الكلب الكسول.
translated text. Now the main purpose of this video is to convert one text, one speech to another belonging to two different languages. So the first part is still remaining. I will make a video to cover that part in future. Stay tuned. Bye.